Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be explaining step by step how to join the Farfetch affiliate program and how to maximize your earning potential by strategically promoting their luxury fashion products and services. Farfetch is one of the largest online marketplaces connecting consumers with highly coveted luxury fashion inventory from boutiques and brands around the world. There is massive opportunity for affiliates to earn substantial income driving sales to their platform. I'll walk you through everything you need to know about their affiliate program, including understanding their business model, signing up, generating tracking links, and tips for long-term success, so let's get right into it. For those unfamiliar with Farfetch, it's an e-commerce platform for discovering and purchasing luxury and designer fashion items that are not easy to find elsewhere. Shoppers can browse and buy luxury clothing, shoes, accessories, beauty products, and more from a curated selection of over 700 boutiques and brands across 50 plus countries. It drives over 30 million monthly visitors to their platform with excellent growth trends. It has strong following and traction with high-income fashion enthusiasts and designer devotees. So clearly there is a huge demand for the exclusive luxury offerings that Farfetch provides access to. Their focus is on making products from coveted boutiques accessible to customers globally. So all this presents a great opportunity for us to become affiliate partners and profit from their massive platform. The process to become an approved Farfetch affiliate partner is simple. Their program is managed through Partnerize, a leading affiliate marketing network. And to join it is fairly simple. You have to go to partnerize.com and create an account as a publisher, which is basically creating the account from the affiliate section. Take some time to thoroughly fill in your account profile and information. Once your Partnerize account is approved, search for Farfetch using the advertiser search bar at the top. From the results, select their campaigns for the geographic regions that make sense for your audience. Obviously, for maximum reach, choose worldwide. After that, click apply to submit an application to promote Farfetch through the chosen campaigns. And lastly, the Farfetch affiliate team will review your application and notify you via email if you are accepted into the program. The approval process typically takes 1 to 2 weeks as Farfetch vets new affiliates. Be patient during this process and reach out after 2 weeks if you haven't heard back. As long as you have an established platform, some audience or traffic sources that you can promote them to, your chances of getting approved are almost guaranteed. Once accepted, you can move forward with generating your specialized Farfetch affiliate tracking links. After you've got approved into the Farfetch affiliate program, the next step is creating your unique affiliate link through Partnerize's platform in order to properly track sales, attribution, and your commissions. Within your Partnerize dashboard, you can go to the tracking section, use the link builder tool to easily create customized tagged affiliate links, and you can make links for any Farfetch product, category, webpage, etc. Your unique Partnerize account ID will automatically be appended to each link that you generate. Always promote Farfetch through your approved Partnerize tracking links, so never the direct links, so that your platform gets full credit for all the conversions driven. This tracking process is crucial because it's how you're gonna get paid. When someone clicks your unique tagged link, makes a purchase on Farfetch and completes the checkout process, that transaction gets logged into your Partnerize account. You will then earn your commission payout after crossing the monthly payment threshold, which you'll be able to view on the payout page. As for now, let's talk a little bit more about the Farfetch affiliate program commissions. You'll be eligible to earn up to 13% of the commission, and you will have a 30-day cookie window and free join. As for the best practices for effectively driving targeted traffic and sales to Farfetch, one of the common ways is to publish blog content focused on specific designer items, new seasonal collections, styling tips, gift guides, etc., and provide value. Also, promote time-sensitive sales events, product launches, or exclusive designer collaborations, as urgency really works. Social media posts are another great tool to showcase coveted luxury fashion products. You can enlist influencers as well through that method. And finally, we have the common run paid ads on Facebook and Instagram highlighting trending or hard to find luxury pieces. This helps you retarget engaged visitors. Whatever method you end up choosing, just remember that the focus should always be on providing genuine value to fashion enthusiasts around discovering and engaging with exceptional designer items and brands. Tailor your approach to Farfetch's affluent target demographic. At the end of the day, your income potential comes down to the volume and relevancy of your traffic. So execute on promotion strategies that appeal specifically to designer fashion enthusiasts. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving it a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more content that we create related to this topic. Thank you once again for watching and see you guys in the next one.